G'day YouTube, Warbles on the lot here, speaking in my official capacity. As I do, occasionally I'm asked to say something in writing, and that means dig out the typewriter. And this one hadn't been used in a very, very long time, had a wasp's nest on the top of the lid. Didn't seem to be too bad until it turned out it's got no H key. So that means, guess who had to dig out and brush down and blow out and clean up the old Courthouse grade Olivetti Linear 98, which actually came equipped with a literal dead, mummified Antichinus deep inside of its gizzards, which was stopping the carriage from moving and returning. So there you go, and now you know the lengths to which Warbles will go when he's asked to provide something between a character reference and an Amicus Curiae brief to the local court of petty sessions. Don't ever say I do things by half measures. I'm prepared to clean mice, mummified Antichinuses even, out of my typewriter in order to write somebody a character reference, because somebody has to do it. And who better than me? Ciao.